The World Wide Web has given all of us the ability to have so many choices and options. While that is all well and good, who has time with work, family, and countless other obligations to do all the research that is involved and make an informed choice you can be satisfied with? Worry no more. BeLove247.com offers answers to all of your questions and concerns about issues including but not limited to mind stimulation and rejuvenation, hair products, facial treatments and remedies, skin treatments for the body, breast care, eye care, the male and female reproductive system, dental care, and the list goes on and on. So if you want honest and easy access to answers for the questions you have about health and wellness, give BeLove247.com a try. Just visit our website, BeLove247.com, and if you have any questions, drop us a line and we will be happy to give you a prompt and easy answer to any question you may have. Please remember, we cannot give medical advice. You should always consult with your medical doctor before consuming or using any product. We are here to serve. Be loved, be well.